But yes, the faculty would be of great use if they decided to stay. And then there's also a floor map. There are, I think, 2 schools that need to be updated. Yeah, this isn't Ensign. I don't know which school this was based on. Okay, yeah. This is just our sample kit. So if you guys decided to assign, like, okay, you know, honestly, I'm gonna use COVID because that's what I know, sorry. So there was the whole people who are vaccinated, people who are not vaccinated, or people who are immunocompromised. If there are people who are immunocompromised, cannot be exposed, you could, you know, set up a specific room for them. Or if you have people that need daycare or need help with their kids or something like that, then you could set up a room for that. You have the dining hall, you set up, or a medical treatment area. If, since we have these classrooms, yeah, a triage area, right? And so, and honestly, I don't, you know, like to talk about this, but if people die, where are you going to put them? Because we could be doing medical triage, but it doesn't mean they're going to make it, even though they come in here alive. So maybe set that